Imagine a weapon that could not be put out with water, a sticky liquid fire that could be sprayed from ships, burning entire fleets to ash. This was Greek fire, the secret weapon of the Byzantine Empire. For centuries it gave them absolute naval supremacy. But its recipe was so secret, it was lost forever. We're NeuroNexus Earth, and we uncover lost technologies. Please take 1 second to subscribe to help our new channel grow. Now, here's the secret. Greek fire was a true terror weapon of the ancient world. It was a liquid chemical mixture, heated in a cauldron, pressurized, then pumped through a siphon, like a hose, onto enemy ships. Its key feature? It couldn't be put out with water. In fact, water may have made it burn even hotter. It stuck to ships, to men, to anything it touched. Ancient napalm, unstoppable, terrifying. The exact recipe for Greek fire was the most closely guarded state secret of the Byzantine Empire. It was never written down in a single document. Instead, the knowledge was passed down through generations within a single family of engineers and known only to the emperor. To reveal the secret was treason, punishable by a gruesome public death. And this is why the recipe was lost. As the Byzantine Empire crumbled during the chaos of the Crusades and finally the sack of Constantinople, the chain of knowledge was broken. The handful of people who knew the secret likely died in the chaos, taking the formula with them to their graves. Modern scientists have tried to reverse engineer it. They believe it was a petroleum-based mixture, maybe with pine resin, sulfur, quicklime. But nobody has ever perfectly recreated the legendary dragon fire of the Byzantines. A weapon so powerful, so terrifying, its secret was buried by history itself. If you enjoyed uncovering this lost technology, subscribe to NeuroNexus Earth for more.